Step 1. We admitted we were powerless over messy data. Welcome to Step 1 of your ERP data journey. This series is made for beginners who want to learn advanced concepts over time. You will learn how to build a database on your own computer and create a live data dictionary that you can actually share. We are going to start by focusing on one of the most widely used ERP systems, PeopleSoft. But do not worry, there's room to grow. I've included possibilities for additional lessons on systems like SAP, Infor, Sage, IBM EMS, SAP Concur, Salesforce, and even banking platforms. In this series, we'll walk step by step through how to build your own personal sandbox environment. While there are many ERP systems out there, we'll stay focused on PeopleSoft for now. Why? Because it gives us a clear, structured way to introduce what an ERP is, what a module does, and how everything ties together, to prevent overwhelming you with advanced material right out of the gate. We'll be working with mock healthcare data and exploring 3 core PeopleSoft modules: finance and accounting, supply chain, and human resources. Each module includes several key tables, and we will load 1,000 sample records per table to simulate real-world data. That gives us enough to build models, write queries, and generate reports without needing access to sensitive or proprietary data. If you're using a different ERP system like SAP, Sage, or CostPoint and want to include it in your sandbox, just leave a comment. I've listed the supported systems here on the channel, and I'll be happy to post the files you need. No matter which system you choose, the method is the same. We're starting at the lowest layer, the level closest to the raw data. That means starting with tables, then building out data models and views, and finally layering in business intelligence reporting tools, Excel or Power BI. This is just the beginning. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave your questions or system requests in the comments. Let's clean up the mess and take control of your ERP data, starting now.